Hi students, welcome to our maths class. This is class 12th and you have already completed inverse trigonometric functions, and today we are going to start chapter number 3, matrices. Okay, matrices. We had already discussed questions as well as theories, so many questions in inverse trigonometric function. So let us start matrices. Okay, so what is matrix actually? Matrix is nothing but a rectangular arrangement of m rows and n column. A21 dot 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 AM1, AM2, AMN. This is a rectangular arrangement of m rows and n column. We can represent by A, B, C, capital ABC. And if you write in the notational form Aij, m cross n, where m is m is number of rows and n is number of columns, and I is nothing but 1 2 3 dot dot m, and j is nothing but 1 2 3 n. This is the whole about the matrix. Matrix is what? Nothing but a rectangular arrangement of m rows and n columns. These are m rows and these are n columns. Okay, if we represent in notational form, Aij, m cross n. Aij is what? Aij is nothing but entries of matrices. Entries of matrices. Okay, entries, that means A11, A12. These are the entries of matrices. Okay, so please note it down. Okay, I hope you completed. Now, what is the order of matrices? We are going to discuss the order of matrices. If we have given a matrix, let A is equals to Aij, Ij be a matrix having m rows and n columns, then order of A, matrix A, is nothing but m cross n. This is the order of matrix m cross n. Okay, suppose we have given a matrix supposed to be A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is nothing but 3 cross 3. What is the order of this matrix? 3 cross 3. If we consider another matrix, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, then this is nothing but 2 cross 3. That means number of rows is 2 and number of columns is 3. Then order of matrix B is 2 cross 3. Okay, so this is the order of matrix. And here, if we consider the matrix, then we consider only those matrices having entries are real number. That means we consider here only real matrices. Clear? Only real matrices. Okay. Now we have a question. Suppose a matrix having 6 elements. A matrix having 6 elements. This is the questions which asked in board also. A matrix having 6 elements, or matrix having 6 elements, then what are the possible orders of this matrix. This is the question. Maybe many times asked in the board. If a matrix having 6 elements, then what are the possible orders? So if a matrix having 6 elements, then possible order is 6 cross 1, maybe 1 cross 6, maybe 2 cross 3, maybe 3 cross 2. Okay, so there are 4 possible orders for this matrix having 6 elements. Okay, similarly, if 10 elements, a matrix having 10 elements, then order is 2 cross 5 maybe, 5 cross 2 maybe, 1 cross 10 maybe, 10 cross 1 maybe. So there are 4 possible orders. Okay, similarly for 12 elements and etc. Clear? Okay. Note it down. Now next is construction of matrix. This type of question also asked in board. So construction of matrix. Suppose we have considered a question. Construct a 3 cross 2 matrices whose elements are given by. Question is construct a 2 cross 3. Construct a 3 cross 2 matrix having elements or whose elements are given by matrix whose elements are given by whose elements are given by Aij is equals to 1 by 2 I minus 3j, 1 by 2 mod of I minus 3j, 1 by 2 mod of I minus 3j. Okay, so what we need, we construct a matrix of order 3 cross 2. Okay, that means there are 3 rows, that means m is equals to 3 and n is equal to 2. So there are how many elements? A11, A12, A1, A21, A22, A31, A32. This is the matrix which we construct. Okay, why? Because 3 rows and 2 columns. So one by one we find the value. A11 means what? I is also 1, j is also 1. So 1 by 2 of I minus 3j in mod. So 1 by 2 I is 1 minus 3 into 1. So 1 by 2 into 2 minus 2 within mod minus 2. So this is 1 by 2 into 2 and this is nothing but 1. So element A11 is what? 1. Similarly, we find A12, A23. Okay, so one by one we find. So I'm just going to erase above this one. And now we find A12. A11 we had already find. So A12. A12 is what? 1 by 2. I minus 3j again. So 1 by 2 at the place of I1 and j3 into 2. So 1 by 2. 1 minus 6, 1 by 2 mod of minus 5, so minus 5, that means plus 5 by 2. So second entry A12 is 5 by 2. Similarly, maybe you can find others, okay? A13, A23, A21, A22, A31, A32. If you find A32, then put at the place of I3 and at the place of J2. So I hope you find it. And this is nothing but example number 3 on page number 60. So please try to complete it. Okay. So please note it down. Then after we see next topic. Okay. I hope you completed this one also. Now we are going to discuss types of matrices. We are going to discuss types of matrices. Types of matrices. What is the types of matrices? The first one is column matrix. First one is COLOUMN, column matrix. So what is column matrix? Okay, if we have a matrix in which only one column, it has only one column, that means there are so many rows but column is one. Suppose A is equals to Aij m cross n. So if n is equal to 1, then matrix is nothing but Aij m cross n. That is only one column, so many rows, that means m rows. So if you expand it, A11, A21 dot AM1. So this particular matrix is known as column matrix. That means a matrix is said to be a column matrix if it has only one column. Okay, so note it down. Okay, now second one is row matrix. Similarly, if you find row matrix, then if A is equals to Aij m cross n, so if m is 1, then a matrix A is said to be what? Row matrix. That is Aij 1 cross n. So if we expand it, A11, A12, A13 dot A1n. So 1 cross n. This is the row matrix. Okay. Clear? This is the row matrix. That means a matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. Now we are going to talk about the square matrix. If number of rows and columns are equal in a matrix, then a matrix is said to be what? Square matrix. Square matrix is what? If a matrix in which row and column, number of rows are equal to the number of columns, then it is said to be square matrix. Let A is equals to Aij but m cross n, and if m is equal to n, that means A is equals to nothing but Aij m cross n. Simply you can write it as Aij m only. If you write, then it is also known as square matrix of order m. That means row and columns are equal. Okay, if a square matrix is given, supposed to be A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 4, 6. Okay, this is the square matrix of order 3. That means there are 3 rows and 3 columns. Then this particular element is known as, these elements are known as diagonal element or diagonal of a matrix. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal of a matrix. Okay, it is possible only in square matrix. Understood? It is possible only in square matrix. So diagonal matrix, what is the diagonal matrix? If all the elements are 0 except the diagonal, then the particular matrix is known as diagonal matrix. If all the elements except the diagonal is 0, then the particular matrix is known as diagonal matrix. Okay. Now scalar matrix. If a matrix is said to be scalar matrix if diagonal elements are equal, that is I does not equal to j. Okay. If suppose this is k, this is k, this is k, this particular matrix is known as scalar matrix. That means all the diagonal elements are same in a matrix, then it is known as diagonal matrix. Okay, if you want to write it mathematically, then you can say a matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if a matrix A is said to be a diagonal matrix, a square matrix of order M is said to be a diagonal matrix if Aij is equals to K for I is equal to J. That means whenever diagonal A11, A12 to A33, these are K. But Aij is equal to 0 when I does not equal to J. I does not equal to J, that means these elements A21, A31, okay. So these elements are 0, that means when I does not equal to J, the elements should be 0. When I is equal to J, then elements are constant, that is K. This particular matrix is known as diagonal matrix, okay. Similarly, identity matrix. If you talk about the identity matrix, okay, so a matrix A is equals to Aij of order M. Identity matrix. What is identity matrix? Identity matrix. A matrix A is equals to Aij of order M is said to be identity matrix if Aij is equals to 1 for each I is equals to J and Aij is equal to 0 for each I does not equal to J. That means if a matrix having diagonal elements are 0 but except diagonal elements, all elements are 0 and diagonal is 1. That means this is known as identity matrix. Okay. Now zero matrix. A matrix having all entries are 0 is said to be zero matrix. So this is the types of matrix. And now next topic is equality of matrix. This is most important topic. So many times question asked in board on this particular topic, equality of matrix. Equality of matrix. Okay. Let A is equal to Aij, M cross N, and B is equals to Bij. This is also of M cross N. If both the matrix have the same order, then only they are equal. Then A is equal to B if Aij of M cross N is equal to Bij of M cross N. And this means Aij is equals to Bij. This is the mathematically you can write both the matrices are equal or equality of matrix. But how to know both the matrices are equal? If all the corresponding elements, that means A11 is equal to B11, A12 is equal to B12. If A11 is equal to B11, A12 is equal to B12 and also so many elements. So if corresponding elements are equal, then only you can say the given matrices are equal. Okay. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if they are same order and the elements A corresponding to B, that means Aij is equal to Bij for each Ij, then you can say matrices are equal. Now example number 4 is there. If you want, you can solve example number 4. Okay. Find the values of x, y and z, a, b, c. If matrix x plus 3, z plus 4 and 2y minus 7 and minus 6, a minus 1, 0, b minus 3, minus 21, 0, and this particular matrix is equal to, I am writing here equal to because maybe there is not visible, so this is equals to 0, 6, 3y minus 2 and minus 6 minus 3, 2c plus 2, 2b plus 4, minus 21 and 0. If they are equal, then find the value of, if they are equal, then find the value of a, b, c and x, y, z. So it's so simple. Corresponding element, that is a11 is equal to a11, so x plus 3 is what? 0. This implies x is equal to minus 3. Similarly, z plus 4 is equal to 6. That means z is equal to, and so on. So you can solve it, and after that you solve exercise. Maybe tomorrow we shall discuss some question based on 3.1, and then we study about the operation on matrices. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe on 14th May we upload one more video regarding to the assignment and project for the summer vacation. So please try to complete the assignment and project. We guide you with the video, and also we can write the assignment and project on the portal also. So thank you very much.